So let's look at some other instances we might have. Sometimes you may have to multiply to do some of these. So let's review a little bit of our algebra with multiplication. Let's suppose we had x plus 5 squared. Remember that that means that there are two of these expressions, and you can multiply by distributing through everything. So you can say x times x and x times 5 and 5 times x and 5 times 5. You would also use the FOIL method if that's what you're used to, but remember that that only works if you have two binomials. So this is just a review of multiplying. And the way that might work if you had it with something with a trig expression is you might have something that looks like this. So you might have sine theta minus 1 squared. And that would mean that you would have two of those. And you would need to distribute. So you'd be sine times sine is sine squared. Sine times minus 1 is minus sine. Minus 1 times sine is minus sine. And minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. Now, remember that you can add and subtract things that have like terms. So this is like a 1 in front of the sine and a 1 in front of the sine. So this would actually end up being sine squared theta minus 2 sine theta plus 1. So in some of your simplification, you may actually have to multiply. So you want to make sure that you understand your previous algebra with your multiplication.